very validated and just a sense of closure, I guess, in a capacity that you did it, you got here, it's done.
She endured his sexual abuse as a child, testified at the criminal trial, and then, when a jury finally awarded Amanda Nolan compensation for her suffering,
just to hear a room full of people say that we hear you, we know that this is what you went through, and it was wrong. It shouldn't have happened, and you're entitled to this because of it.
Or so she thought, speaking on camera Monday because of what's just happened and the potential ramifications for all victims.
It's like an extra slap in the face, kind of, that even if you get to this point, it's not going to matter.
Cuyahoga County Common Pleas courts forced to side with sexual predator Roy Pompa because of an Ohio law, despite his disturbing record.
Do you admit to all of that?
Yes.
The Brook Park man and former friend of the family, convicted in 2007 of 93 counts of rape, kidnapping, gross sexual imposition, and child pornography charges involving 8 little girls, including Amanda, who was only 11 at the time.
I do have memories that were quite horrifying.
Causing a lifetime of trauma and drug addiction as a teenager.
At the lowest point of that, I tried to kill myself. I just didn't want to deal with it anymore. It felt too overwhelming to be in these situations that I didn't choose to be in and didn't want to be a part of.
Even now, 26 years old, healthy and clean, the young mother and wife struggles with PTSD and anxiety.
I have, panic attacks still to this day that have sent me to the hospital because I can't calm down.
This is not a frivolous lawsuit.
Attorney John Fitch represented Amanda in the civil case and won millions. But Pompa's attorneys filed a motion, and in January, a judge ruled in his favor, citing the Ohio Revised Code, modified by tort reform in 2005, that caps the monetary amount awarded for non-economic damages to $250,000.
Her award was reduced from $20 million to $250,000.
While they might have had the best intentions making the law, it wasn't looked at in every angle that it needs to be.
Because they say, although $250,000 sounds like a lot, it isn't.
It takes lawyers years of work to be able to try these cases. There's court fees, there's investigators, there's experts, there's lots of, fees that adds up.
If civil prosecutors can't do their job, then in my opinion, more children are going to be abused.
Both Attorney Fitch and Amanda are now pleading with Ohio lawmakers to take action and fix the law so that all victims can afford to seek and obtain justice.
Right now, the way the law stands, I feel it's just protecting pedophiles. It shuts people out from the closure they need.